Welcome guys, welcome to the Trading Shadows. I'm Abdullah FX, destined to trade. Okay, here we are going to discuss about the market structure, especially on a bearish market. This is part 2 because I have seen part 1 here. This is where we ended our journey. Let us continue with a bearish market structure. Okay, a bearish market structure. Okay, let us try to clean this stuff in order to get a free space where we can present ourselves. In a bearish market is where the sellers are controlling the market, where we are always seeing what we call lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high in succession manner. Like this, if I say lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like this. Okay, as you can see here, we are seeing a block of structure. Okay, like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay, I hope you are together here. This in this fashion, on this model, this is a lower low, this is lower high, this called the lower low, this called the lower high, this called the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and the continuation. Okay, let me clean one to remove the confusion. Okay, still I think you remember about the break of structure, the break off of structure. Okay, this is also called the continuation phase. This is continuation phase, this is continuation phase, this is continuation phase. Let's still again try to name them. This is continuation phase, continuation phase. Let me use capital letters. Continuation phase, continuation phase. I think you are seeing this is a continuation phase. Okay, let me change this color. Continuation, use which color? I think this color is better. Okay, cool. Continuation phase, this is continuation phase. Okay, I mean to say this. Okay, this continuation phase. This is continuation phase. Okay, this is a pullback phase also. This is a pullback phase. Pullback phase. Pullback P. This continuation phase like this. This is a pullback phase. Okay, let me change colors so that they can be different in visibility. Where can I change this color? Can I make it like this? It's gonna be like let me use this blue color. It's far better. Okay, this is a pullback phase, this is a pullback phase, pullback phase. Okay, this is another pullback phase. Pullback phase like this. Okay, cool. Let us make it. Okay, pullback phase, continuation. Okay, This another continuation phase. Okay, this is called the pull. Let's call this a pullback. It's not removing like this. This is another pullback. Okay, this is another continuation phase. Okay, cool. As you see, we are creating what we call lower low here. This is a lower low. Let us try to lower low, but let us use a black. This is a lower low. Okay, this is a lower high. This is lower high. Okay, this is a lower high. This is another lower high. Okay, this is another lower high. Okay, guys, try to master those basics. These basics are very important in price action. The price action, this is lower high. Okay, this is lower low. This is another lower low. This is another lower low. Okay, so when we are entering in the market, we always enter on the lower high for sale. This is a bearish market. Okay, we always enter on lower high here. We always enter on lower high. Always enter on lower high. Always enter on lower high. Guys, this is trading shadows. Okay, where we focus on psychology, discipline, risk management, and the strategy. Don't give signals. Instead of giving signals, we focus on giving people skills so that they can fish themselves. They can learn how to take their own fishes instead of asking for fishes. Okay, this is how we enter in the bearish market. Okay, this is bearish market. This is bearish market. People may hear me saying bearish and don't get it. This is what we call bearish market structure. Bearish market structure. Okay, cool. And so we are going to apply this kind of a knowledge or this kind of skill on the Leo chart. On the Leo chart. Okay, guys, on the Leo chart. Okay, cool. On the Leo chart. Okay, so I think you have already finished to take your notes. If you have somewhere to write, so I'm going to delete this stuff so that we can present clearly on the Leo chart. Okay, on the Leo chart, which chart is in a bearish structure, which is very clean and clear. Can I use GBP card? Let me check. Okay, cool. This is a daily structure of GBP card. GBP card is very messy. It's not clear downtrend. It's not clear downtrend. Okay. Okay, let us try to see if can see BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, somehow it's trying. This is a daily time frame of BTC USD. Okay, let us try to put our levers here. Okay, those are our levels. Those are our levers. Okay, cool. As you see clearly, here we are creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What is left is to create another lower high here, and then we enter for sale. Okay, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we enter for sale here. Okay, okay, okay. We always enter for sale on the lower high, on the lower high. Okay, this is the structure. This is the structure. Let's try on another example. This is a daily time frame, and we can go in the H4 time frame where we look our entries. Okay, you see, it's very clear. Let's go to the 105. Okay, we are waiting for the creation of another lower high here, and after creation of another lower high there, we can enter for sale. Okay, here let me try to zoom. Okay, that's how we entered. Guys, this is a very profitable strategy, a very simple, especially for beginners. But in a daily time frame analysis and execution in H4, in that case, you become a swing trader as I am. Okay, and that's all. Okay, let's take another example in where can we take another example? I'm not sure. Another bearish market structure in euro GBP USD. Let us try to see in GBP USD. Okay, you see that this is a GBP USD. This is a GBP USD structure. We are forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We are waiting for another formation, another lower high formation, lower low here to form another lower low, and after forming this lower high here, we'll immediately enter for sale. Let's get to word of 4 minimum. Okay, this is a market structure. As you see, it has been in an uptrend by creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low, break of structure, another higher high. Here we have seen what we call reversal. Okay, reversal have managed to happen on this daily support. So our next video, which is called part number 3 about the market structure, is about the reversal. And if you are interested, subscribe, like, and comment if you are interested in the part 3 about reversals, where most traders, especially beginners, and also not only the beginners but also the intermediate traders, blow up the accounts on the reversals. Really, if you want to know how to spot the reversals, subscribe, like, and the next part is about spotting the reversal. I'm out. Remember to trade small to manage your risk, and remember, we are traders in shadows. Okay, thank you very much.